Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. You guys, I really attempted to do a craft with me video for you guys, but here's my dilemma. You guys see I have these claws. I cannot do anything with these nails. I created this flat nail and I wanted to film it for you guys, but I needed my daughter to keep coming in and help me glue stuff down because the nails would get in the way, and it just was total chaos. So what we're doing is these nails are coming off this week, so my next video might be also showing you guys a project, and then Wifey Wednesday, and then starting the following 3 videos from next week are full-blown craft with me's, because I won't have these nails. I still am going to have pretty nails, but I'm just gonna have them short because you guys have no clue how hard it is for me to do anything. I can't even make rosettes. I can't make anything. It just doesn't come out right. Super frustrating. And I wanted to put up a video yesterday for you guys, and it just wasn't working out. I was working on this between yesterday and today, and here we are. So it's gonna be a project share video, and also tell you guys about this collection, because as you guys know, I am part of the Peachy Cheap design team. They're gonna be selling this collection, which is October Afternoon's Sidewalk collection, which is adorable, by the way, on the 5th. And if I'm not mistaken, that'll be Tuesday. So on Tuesday, they'll be selling this collection. So if you guys want it, you guys can be ready to purchase it on midnight or the 5th and get your hands on it, because it's adorable. It's beautiful, very vintagey, and I love it. So let me show you guys a little bit of the collection and stuff that I didn't use. This is what the collection looks like. These are some of the papers that I didn't, because they sent me like 2 of each. So this is one of them. It's very like storybook children's collection. So we have this one, and this is the opposite side, and these are, I think, 8.5 by 11. And then there's this one. How beautiful is this paper? And then that's the opposite side, and this is the same one. Then there's this one, which is like a graph, and then we have that side right there. And we have this stripe one. I love the stripes. And then the floral in the other side, on the other side. And I feel like there was another paper. I just don't know what happened to it. But I think it's, I'll show you guys on the flat mail itself, because it's this floral pattern right here. This is the one. Oh, I don't want to show you guys that yet. Hold on. And then here are the stickers, you guys. Look how cute. How adorable is she with her little puppy, the little boy on the bike. So these are the stickers. I didn't use any of these because I kind of want to cut them out and add them to the flat mail. So I have to figure out how I want to do that where it looks nice and neat. So these are the stickers. And you guys, I've been dying to try this whole new flat mail trend, and I created one. I sewed it. I did a lot of sewing on this. I added a cute little pom-pom trim right here. And then these little pieces that you see here are the ephemera pieces that come with the Sidewalks collection. How cute are the little dominoes? And we got the little bird. And then I did the little shredding of the paper. I got that idea from Shara, which I think looks so cute. It's like it brings like something to the project, something different. And then you guys, on the opposite side, I did a shaker. And then it has the collection. You'll see when I take out the stuff, it has like a bunch of these cards. And this one says counting out rhymes. And it's just a cute little card that I stitched all the way around and then just glued it down, and then I sewed the tulle with the sequins and everything. So let me show you guys what I put inside. And this is super easy to make, you guys. I do want to show you guys how to make it, but Shara does have a video. I'm going to link her down below so that you guys can go definitely check it out. But this is 5 by 8. And let me show you what I put inside. So this collection came with these cute little cards, which I've included in the package. And then there's this one. So I put those in there. I might put a little clip on it. This cute little set of tickets. And then I got some Heidi Swap stickers, kind of with the same colors. And just like repackaged the top with the paper from the collection. Some of the pieces from the ephemera pack, if you guys can see that. It says Fun Times and a cute little bird. And then here are some of the cards from the collection as well that they included. And you see, you guys, these will be perfect little shakers. Here's a little key clip that I put. It says come along fast as you can, kind of like from a storybook. And then there's this one which you can color. The collection is adorable, you guys. You should definitely check it out. I'll definitely have it dated down below, all the information, so you guys can know when it will be up. In here I just repackaged some little crepe paper, this cute little heart trim, and repackaged some more of the little ephemera pieces from the ephemera pack. You got the little cards and some more of those storybook, kind of like these in here. I also included a face mask. I love giving face masks in my Happy Mail, so I put the green because it kind of matches. And then I included some garden notes, which also kind of matches with the color. So I put some of those, and this is what the flat mail looks like, you guys. And I put this little floral piece that also came with the ephemera pack. And then here is the shaker in the back. I love how it turned out. It's my very first one, you guys. I'm super excited to get to crafting. I was just a little disappointed because I couldn't do anything with my nails and it just was getting in the way so much. I constantly needed to call my daughter in, help me cut this, help me do this, and that's just not me. I need to get rid of them and make them where I'm more comfortable in crafting. But you guys, these are so fun. I'm definitely going to be making some more. And yeah, stay tuned for Wifey Wednesday. She's going to be showing you guys a subscription box. She wanted to do like an unboxing with you guys because she's never done that. And we have this really cool, like, I think it's from Japan, this box of goodies that she's gonna unbox with you guys. So stay tuned for that on Wednesday, and stay tuned for another crafting video sometime this week. But yes, guys, get excited. I am back. We are back. Things are gonna be great, and I'm gonna start working on finishing up some Happy Mail that I have to give some special ladies. I'm gonna get back on that. And yeah, stay tuned for tons and tons of goodies. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.